Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix YouTube slow loading problem. So let's go to the tutorial. Now I am in youtube.com. Sometimes when you type youtube.com in your browser, you will sometimes experience that, or you have experienced that your YouTube platform loading is too slow, though your internet is very fast, and even when you try to play any video in YouTube, video will buffering or buffer, but your internet speed is very fast. So if you want to get rid from this type of problem, I will apply a just simple technique. You do not need use any software or website. Just I will apply a simple technique, which is just go to the library, and from the library option just click on the history or see all button. I will click history, and from the history you will select watch history and then click on the clear all watch history. Just click on the clear all watch history, and your all watch history will be cleared, and your YouTube will be very fast. I have read some blog post about how to speed up YouTube browsing. They also suggest that when you play a new video on YouTube, you should decrease your video resolution. That means if you want to play the video in 1080p resolution, you have to decrease your video resolution, such as 344 to 40. But if you apply this method, I will give you the assurance because I have applied in my case, and I got a very good result from this technique. So it's a tutorial about how to fix YouTube slow loading problem. Goodbye.